Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you the unboxing of the HOHEM iSteady M6 with a kit. So without further ado, let's get started. So as you guys can see here, we have the box. And now let me mention that it's a 3-axis smartphone stabilizer and it also has AI vision in it. So let me quickly open it up. And now I'll show you what's so good about it. So as you guys can see here, we have the storage bag and we can take it anywhere we want. Now let me quickly open it up. And as you guys can see, here the first thing that we will see is the user manual. Now the next one is, as you guys can see, the quick start guide. And here we also have the safety guidelines. Now, what's so interesting here is the stabilizer itself. Now, as you guys can see, it's pretty big and I think it makes a big rivalry to the DJI ones. So the next thing that we have here is the tripod. As you guys can see, we can just take it out and here we can place our stabilizer. As you guys can see, it's standing right here. Now, last but not least, here in the case we have the HOHEM cables. 2 cables Type-C to charge it. Now, let me put everything back here and let me show you what's so good about it. So basically it supports 400 grams of payload. Now, the next thing that you might see here is the AI vision sensor. Now it also makes as a light. Let me quickly put it back on. And here, as you guys can see, we have the multifunctional control wheel. Now we can move here and when it's turned on, it will basically go into settings. Now here, as you guys can see, after we unlock it from behind, here we have a full 360 infinite inception. So we can basically just keep on spinning it and as you guys can see, it will be very stabilized. Now, the next thing I want to show you is I'm gonna take my phone and now place it in here. As you guys can see, now we need to make sure that the phone touches this little port here right behind. And now let me place it and see how that goes. So as you guys can see, now what we have to do is stabilize it here because it's not stabilized at all. Here what we need to do is unlock it, just like that. And after we take it, it will be something like this. So what we need to do is unlock it from this side and now try and focus on the phone standing like this. Now let me try to lock it and as you guys can see, we need to work on it because it may be different for all of us. Now it's too much. Basically you gotta try that out yourself because sometimes your phone may be a bit heavier than mine. As you guys can see, now it's standing as it's supposed to. And now what we have to do is turn it on. And now, as you guys can see, it starts working. So now, let me quickly show you guys here. What we have to do is basically open the app. Now it's called Hohem Joy and as you guys can see, now everything here is stable. As you guys can see, here we have the multifunctional wheel I was talking about. Now what else can we do here is change the resolution from 720p to 4K. And here we can also change the video frame rate from 24 to 60 frames per second. Now we can also start recording with this button here, as you guys can see. Now, what's so cool about it is you can basically choose the part that you want to focus on the screen. Let me take this for an example. As you guys can see, now it's right here. And now we can start recording it. As you guys can see, it will try and stabilize it just on the point here. Now, what else can I show you is the big thing here, because it's the iSteady 7.0, which is the anti-shake system. Now let me stop recording, and of course here in the app we have a built-in gallery for everything we did. And that should be it. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and see you on the Hard Reset channel. Bye.